Need to save a Loom video to your device for offline viewing, editing, or archiving? Loom makes it possible to download videos when the feature is available for the recording. In this guide, I'll show you how to download Loom videos in 2026. First, open Loom and sign in to your account. This gives you access to your video library and available download options. Navigate to your video library and select the recording you want to save. Click the video to open its details page. Look for the download menu or additional options button on the video page. Depending on your account permissions and video settings, a download option may be available. Click the download option to begin saving the video to your computer. Larger videos may take a little longer to process and download. If prompted, select the folder where you'd like to store the video. Choose a location that's easy to find later. Once the download finishes, open the file and confirm that the video plays correctly. Check both the visuals and audio before using it elsewhere. To stay organized, move downloaded videos into clearly labeled folders. This makes future editing, sharing, and archiving much easier. And that's how to download Loom videos in 2026. By saving important recordings locally, you can access them anytime, even without an internet connection. So download your videos, keep them organized, and use them whenever you need. Thanks for watching.